fastest drone?
So recently, I've bought some obstacles off of AliExpress for my drones. And I was thinking, why not fly them through the course and see who has the fastest timing.
1 obstacle course, 5 competing drones. Which is fastest? This is an 8 points course route. Let the battle begin. BetaFPV Meteor 75 Pro 04. Ready, go. .55 second. The poor result may be caused by pilot error or warm-up. BetaFPV Meteor 75 Pro Analog. Ready, go. .17 second. Consistent and fast performance by this machine as usual. Airhawk, upgraded Emax Tinyhawk 3. Ready, go. .26 second. Surprising performance of an upgraded Tinyhawk 3 that was matching up with the Meteor 75 Pro. BetaFPV Air65. Ready, go. .24 second. Absolutely the speediest machine of the day. DJI Neo. Ready, go. .19 second. The heaviest but yet able to deliver a good steady timing.
So from the results, this Air65 is the winner. The reason for that is because it is lightweight and agile.
Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push.
And this concludes today's results and the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Please give a like if you enjoyed these videos.